Girls, your sister is coming in town for Thanksgiving today, and I am so excited.
Let's go. I'm gonna get you home, all right? Are you nervous?
I heard she lost her career and she had a breakdown. Okay. So she crazy now too?
Don't say that.
See, I don't like to hear the truth.
It's okay, baby girl. It's just family.
Welcome home, sis. It's gonna be a long night.
Girls, say hi to your sister.
How you feeling? Okay?
I'd feel better if people stopped asking if I was okay.
Don't worry about them. We haven't seen you in a long time. We just worried.
Is someone gonna do something about that?
Are you okay?
There's this constant beeping sound. Do y'all hear that?
We don't hear anything.
I told y'all she crazy.
I am not crazy.
Anybody want some yams?
There's something going on. I can't be the only one in my family who's hearing this constant noise. Where are the batteries? The batteries for the smoke detector. Where are the batteries?
Well, just go to the corner store and pick some up.
God. Don't.
Don't worry. I'll be back.
Whoa! Daddy!
You did this. This is your fault.
I hear it too.
We don't have much time. Every time that thing chirps, every 15 seconds, one of us dies.
What the hell are you talking about?
Sometimes I can hear it in my sleep.
For whatever reason, they won't let us leave. They want us to die. I told you I wasn't crazy. Mama, is there something you're hiding from us?
You have no idea.